Ready to glow like never before? Get ready to transform your health and vitality with just one drink. Let's dive into the ultimate green detox smoothie. This recipe is simple, quick, and incredibly nutritious. Packed with awesome ingredients to boost your health, this smoothie is a game changer. Start with 1 cup of spinach, loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, and powerful antioxidants. Add 1/2 cucumber for hydration and to reduce inflammation. It's refreshing and cooling. Next, 1 chopped green apple for natural sweetness and a good dose of fiber. Include 1/2 avocado for that creamy texture and healthy fats that keep you full longer. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of chia seeds for protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Fresh ginger adds a zing and aids digestion, making this smoothie even more beneficial. Pour in 1/2 cup of coconut water for extra hydration and a tropical twist. Blend all the ingredients together with some ice cubes if you like it cold. Voila! Pour, garnish with your favorite toppings, and enjoy this creamy green goodness. Cheers! Hit the like button and subscribe.